So in this Notes app tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to add lines and grids to notes on the Notes app. So for example, if I were to go on to a note right here, it's all blank, nothing crazy. Now, if you want to change this, go to the settings app on your phone. Once you're on the settings page, scroll all the way to the bottom and press on apps. Once apps are selected, go to the end section to where there's notes, then go ahead and select notes. Then once you're on the notes page right here, just scroll down all the way to the bottom here to where it says viewing, and then where it says lines and grids, you guessed it, go ahead and select that. Now, by default, none selected, but if you wanted to go ahead and add lines, you can do that. If you wanted to add a grid, you can do that, whatever the case may be. So if I just wanted to press lines right here, then go back to the Notes app, it's not going to change this to your current notes. So for example, my current notes are blank, but if I were to go ahead and start a new note right here, which I can do, as you can tell, there are now grid lines on the Notes app. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to add lines and grids to the Notes app here on the Notes app. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this helps.